I want to talk about the benefits of rental property management. The first benefit is you guys are going to create residual income for you guys. Residual income is that income that just keeps coming in every single month. It's predictable and you got a good idea of how much money you guys are going to make on a daily, monthly, and annual basis. Now think about it for a second. If you guys charge 10%, okay? We're going to charge 10% management fee. And let's say your average lease rate on your properties across the board is $1,500. That's how much tenants are paying every single month. 10% of $1,500 is $150 per month per property. $150 per month per property. Now think about it. Think about it on 40 doors. Okay? 40 doors. 40 doors, I don't believe is that hard to achieve over a year, 2-year period. But let's talk 40 doors. And also in future videos, I'm going to teach you how to get multiple doors from one single investor as well. So you guys can expedite this. But 40 doors times 150 per month is $6,000 per month. That's $6,000 per month in property management fees directly to you guys. Multiply that over 12 years. $72,000 every single year off of 40 doors, charging only 10% on an average rent rate of $1,500 a month. Now the second huge benefit of rental property management is it equates into real estate sales. Think about it, and we're gonna go into much more detail on this as well. But think about it for a second. Investors will buy from you. Investors will sell through you. And also, one thing that, and we're going to talk more detail about it as well, and a lot of people don't capitalize on this, is you have tenants. You have 40 doors that you guys are managing. That's 40 tenants, 40 families that may end up buying a home for themselves, and they will use you if you guys are doing the precautionary measures that you have to do in order to generate those additional sales, which we will talk about in future videos. The third benefit of property management is you guys will be able to capitalize and generate income from a maintenance division, basically overseeing maintenance personnel in terms of fixing up properties or repairing leaks or certain repair items. The fourth benefit of property management is you actually have the ability to, once you guys build this up to a certain amount of income, you actually have the ability to sell it. That's right, you don't even need to own the real estate brokerage in order to sell this book of business, and we'll talk about that in future videos as well. And the fifth benefit, my most favorite, is this is going to give you the opportunity to learn and grow using other people's properties to eventually understand and build your own portfolio of real estate, and hopefully you guys create financial freedom for yourselves by doing this as well.